Welcome to the video walkthrough on how to use the OmniStreet CTL. In this video walkthrough, we will cover the following topics: login, build services, update services, and manage services. Let's get started. This is the OmniStreet CTL. To start using it, you need to log in to the OmniStreet platform first, using the login command here, and provide your email and password to successfully log in. If you do not want to explicitly expose your password, you can store it in a file and use the password std flag. Alternatively, you can store it in an environment variable and use the password std flag. Once logged in, you can create, update, and manage your services. Before building a service, ensure you have a Docker Compose file for the service you want to build. Here is the original Docker Compose file for a Postgres service. To build it into a SaaS, we need to provide some service plan level configurations, such as the service plan name, tenancy type, and the deployment type. We can leverage the OmniStreet service plan tag. We'll build it into two service plans, one free tier and one premium tier. First, specify the service plan name, and then specify the tenancy type. For the free tier plans, we probably want to minimize the cost. We can consider using a multi-tenancy model to save costs by sharing resources among multiple users. Next, specify the deploying requests and limits to optimize resource usage. This helps ensure that each tenant does not consume more resources than necessary. This is especially important for free tier plans. We will build this plan in OmniStreet hosted deployment, so we don't need to specify the deployment tab, because OmniStreet hosted is the default deployment. If you want to host your service, you can specify it as hosted deployment and provide cloud accounts like this. Similarly, if you want to use BYOA deployment, you can simply change hosted here to BYOA. To better save costs, we can enable serverless configuration. Servers allow the service to auto-stop when not in use, reducing costs by only running when needed. Now the Docker Compose is ready. Let's build it into a service. Use the build command. Provide the file field as a path to the Docker Compose file and specify the name field as the name of your service. Release the service plan as preferred so that this version will be consumed by your customers. The build succeeded. Let's check it in the browser. We can see the service shows up here. If we click into the resource and check the resource configurations, it should be exactly the same as we specified in Docker Compose. We can also consume the service at this link. Let's create a resource instance here. Now the resource instance reach running state. Let's onboard another service plan, the premium tier. We'll use the same original Docker Compose file. We'll use dedicated tenancy for it, since dedicated resources provide better performance and isolation. Let's build a service. Service built successfully. We can find there are two service plans now, one Postgres free, the other Postgres premium. As you build and improve your services, you'll need to update service plans. The CTL makes it super easy to do this. For the free tier plan, we want to improve the observability of the service by enabling metrics and logs integration. Note that the service plan name must stay the same. In this example, it should still be Postgres free. Let's update the service. The service build succeeded. Let's check the website. We can see the metrics and logs integrations have been added here. To provide an inclusive service building experience, the CTL also supports list, describe, and remove services. To view a list of all your services, use the list command. To get detailed information about a specific service, use the describe command, followed by the service ID. To remove a service from the OpenStreet platform, use the remove command, followed by the service ID. This command will permanently delete the service, so use it with caution. Thank you for watching this walkthrough. We hope this guide is helpful. If you have any further questions or need further assistance, please refer to the OpenStreet document or contact support.